Hello everyone, I'm BEIYUAN, majoring in communication media. Today I will introduce McCANN WORLDGROUP. And this is the catalog of my presentation. First is about the introduction. McCANN WORLDGROUP is a leading global marketing communications company that provides integrated advertising, digital marketing, brand consulting, public relations, and experiential marketing services across more than 100 countries. And next is about the company history and company structure. For the company history, from 1902 to 1997, McCANN WORLDGROUP traces its roots back to 1902, when Harrison McCann founded his first advertising company in New York. Over the decades, McCann expanded into a global network, leading innovations in integrated marketing and advertising. In 1997, McCANN WORLDGROUP was officially formed, uniting multiple specialized agencies under one global brand. And from 1998 to 2010, during this period, McCANN WORLDGROUP consolidated its position as a top global advertising group by continuously expanding its international business and rebuilding its partnership with important customers. During this period, the group continued to integrate global resources and establish a global management framework. From 2010 to 2020, in 2012, Harris Diamond became CEO and promoted the group to accelerate digital transformation, establishing specialized agencies such as Commonwealth, McCann and United, McCann, to integrate large international customer business. During this period, McCann comprehensively strengthened its competitiveness in integrated communication, data marketing, and global customer service. From 2020 to 2022, in 2020, Bill Crow was promoted to CEO to further strengthen the layout of data-driven marketing and socially responsible advertising. In 2022, Dara Lee took over as CEO, and the group continued to deepen the integration of creativity and technology to promote innovative development. And it's about the company structure. McCANN WORLDGROUP is a global integrated communications group headquartered in New York, led by CEO Dara Lee. It includes McCann, MRM, Momentum Worldwide, Weber Shandwick, Future Brand, Crofts Worldwide, and McCann Health. McCann Health is now part of the IPG Health. Each subsidiary operates independently but collaborates under a unified strategy to provide integrated brand communication solutions. And next part is about the key business areas. McCANN WORLDGROUP currently focuses on 5 major areas of business. First, integrated marketing communication plays a central role. The group ensures a constant brand image by coordinating advertising, public relations, experiential marketing, and social media channels. Second, the company emphasizes digital marketing, expanding its influence in social media content creation, mobile advertising, and data analysis. Third, customer experience management has become a core focus, aiming to improve user experiences and enhance brand loyalty. In addition, McCann actively leads social good campaigns addressing sustainability, diversity, and inclusion to boost social impact. Lastly, the group is advancing in data-driven marketing, using AI and big data to create precise, effective marketing strategies. And for the competitive differentiation, McCann differentiates itself by adhering to Choose Well Told, emphasizing emotional, authentic storytelling to build deep consumer connections. While competitors like Ogilvy often focus on visual impact, McCann stresses emotional resonance. It integrates brand strategy, digital marketing, and customer experience into one seamless service, maintaining a human-centered approach even with AI and data investment. And next part is about the creative strategy and characteristics. McCann's creative approach focuses on storytelling that captures real emotions and everyday experiences. One of the best examples is MasterCard's famous campaign Priceless. They believe that emotional narratives build brand trust better than flashy visuals. And next is about adaptation to media environment changes. McCANN Worldgroup actively embraces digital transformation by leveraging social media, mobile ads, programmatic buying, AI, and big data to enhance precision and personalization. They also explore AR and VR technologies to deepen brand-consumer interactions. The example is that in 2014, McCann Paris developed Makeup Genius, an AI visual try-on app for L'Oréal Paris, which is defining consumers' engagement. McCann Worldgroup consistently prioritizes humanized storytelling over pure technology, ensuring emotional depth remains central. And next is about the example of advertising. Lessons of words. One of McCann's Worldgroup's recent representative campaigns is the Lessons of Words project by L'Oréal Paris. In 2020, when McCann Paris and L'Oréal Paris launched a 2-minute video featuring actress Viola Davis, inviting audiences to rethink the iconic slogan of this campaign, "Because I'm Worth It." And also, brand ambassadors like Kate Winslet and Eva Longoria shared personal stories about self-worth and empowerment. They used simple visuals and direct storytelling. The campaign sparked global discussions and perfectly reflected McCann's choose well told philosophy. In my opinion, the most touching thing about this series of advertisements is that it shifts the focus of the advertisement from product functions to individual emotions and social values. Compared with traditional beauty product advertisement, this series does not emphasize the standard of external beauty, but makes the audience rethink the meaning of beauty and value through real and straightforward expression. I especially like this approach of not deliberately creating a perfect image, but honestly showing the life experience of the spokesperson. This creative approach not only makes the message transmission more sincere and natural, but also strengthens L'Oréal's brand positioning as a brand that focuses on women's self-empowerment and value recognition. Through the Lessons of Words advertisement, McCann Worldgroup once again proved that truly touching advertising did not need gorgeous packaging, but need to use truth and emotion to build a deep connection between people and brands. And last is about the future direction. Looking ahead, McCann Worldgroup will continue to focus on 3 key directions. First, it will further strengthen its application of AI, big data, AR, and VR to enhance interactive experiences. Second, the group will maintain its emphasis on emotional storytelling, deepening its connection with consumers. And third, McCann Worldgroup will invest more heavily in sustainability, diversity, and equality to reinforce its social responsibility image. And that's all for my presentation. Thank you for watching.